Hello everyone. In this video I will give you some nouns and their singular and plural forms, that is Singular und Plural. The noun in German is das Nomen oder das Substantiv. Let's go over the examples. The first example is der Lehrer. The plural of Lehrer is die Lehrer. And some similar examples are der Fehler, which is the plural of der Fehler is die Fehler, das Fenster, die Fenster, das Zimmer, die Zimmer. So basically, to form the plural of these nouns, there is no ending, just the article changes. Basically, the article becomes the plural article, that is die. Let's go over the second example, das Heft. The plural of das Heft is die Hefter. Similar examples are der Bleistift, which becomes die Bleistifter, der Freund, which becomes die Freunde, and der Tisch, which becomes die Tischer. In here we see that the noun takes an e ending in the plural. Let's go over the third type of noun. Der Satz becomes die Sätze. Here we see that it takes an umlaut plus e. Similar examples are die Stadt, which becomes die Städter, die Wand, which becomes die Wände, and der Stuhl, that becomes die Stühle. The ending, basically an umlaut plus an e in the ending. Let's go over the fourth type, that is das Kind, which becomes die Kinder. The next example is das Wort. The plural of das Wort is die Wörter. Here there is an umlaut plus er at the end. Similar examples are das Buch, which becomes die Bücher, das Haus, which becomes die Häuser, and das Land, which becomes die Länder in the plural. The next example is die Antwort. The plural of die Antwort is die Antworten. Similar examples are die Frau, which becomes die Frauen, en at the end, and der Herr. The plural of der Herr is die Herren, en at the end. The next example is die Frage. The plural of die Frage is die Fragen. Similar examples are die Decke, which becomes die Decken, die Karte, die Karten, die Lampe, die Lampen, der Name, die Namen, die Schule, die Schulen, die Sprache, die Sprachen. It takes an n ending. Let's go over the next and final example. Die Lehrerin. Die Lehrerin becomes die Lehrerinnen. The ending is nen. Similar examples are die Schülerin, which becomes die Schülerinnen, and die Freundin, which becomes die Freundinnen. Let's go over that once again very quickly. Der Lehrer, die Lehrer, no ending. Similar examples are der Fehler, das Fenster, das Zimmer, das Heft, die Hefte, e ending, plural ending in e, der Satz, die Sätze, plural umlaut plus e ending, das Kind, die Kinder, das Wort, die Wörter. The plural takes an umlaut plus er ending. Die Antwort, die Antworten. The plural takes an en ending. Die Frage, die Fragen. The plural takes an n ending. And finally, die Lehrerin, die Lehrerinnen. The plural takes an nen ending. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.